The syntax of if statements and logical operators like and, or, and not are reasonably straightforward, but sometimes it can be a little tricky to figure out what it actually means. Let's look at this simple example. We've got here two variables. The food is apple, that's the snack that's available, and my daughter's age, which is 8, and here is a simple condition to decide whether she thinks it's a good snack. If the food is not equal to apple and age is less than 10, print good snack. Well, I think that's right, but let's see, there's a not and a less than and an and. Is this, wait, what happens if the food is an apple? What is this really going to do? Well, let's take a quick look at a sketch that I think will make it a little bit clearer.
So we've got the two conditions here. Food is not equal to apple and age is less than 10. What are all of the possible values? Well, the left condition is a Boolean, and it can either be true or false. Age being less than 10 is another condition, and it can be either true or false. And these are separate conditions combined with an and. And so while food not equals to apple can be true, age might be less than 10, which would make this true, or it might be greater or equal to 10, which would make it false. Similarly, food not being equal to apple might be false, which would mean that food is equal to apple. And in that case, age might be less than 10, or it might be greater or equal to 10. So these are all of the possible combinations that we've got here so far. And given these 4 combinations, what is the possible output? That is, what is the possible combination of all this? And the answer is, well, an AND statement is only true if both sides of the condition are true. So something has to be true and true to generate a true result. All of the other combinations will result in false. Is false. Let's look at the OR statement. We'll do this a little bit more quickly. But like the AND, the OR statement takes 2 inputs. And each of those inputs can either be true or false. So the 4 combinations are true and true, true and false, false and true, and false and false. When you use the OR operator, the result is true if either one of the operands are true. So these top 3 all result in a true answer, right? Because at least one of the inputs is true. The only time you get false is if you say false or false. That results in a false result.